Hey folks, welcome to the stream. You know what's the coolest thing about my job? Every day is a new adventure, and today is no exception. Check this out. My trusty blade has seen more battles than I can count. And you know what? It's still hungry for more. Right there. Can you feel that power? That's the strength of a true warrior. These armors I'm wearing aren't just pieces of metal. Every dent, every mark from a hit is a story. They've protected me in the hottest battles, and I owe them gratitude. Now, here's the real interesting part. My secret trick. No, not the sword. Haha, it's my trusty frying pan and steak meat. You know what's the best thing for restoring health? That's right, perfectly cooked steak. Hey, are you still with me? That's what real streaming is all about. Real moments, real adventures, and real connection. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Speaking of tech, my character is 68,000 triangles of pure beauty, powered by Epic Skeleton UE4, and those 52 blend shapes make my facial expressions absolutely incredible. Remember, folks, it's not about how many battles you win, but how you face them. Whether it's gaming or chatting in the chat, thanks for being with me. See you in the next adventure. Keep slaying.